Today, we're tackling a topic that affects nearly all of us, yet it's something we often overlook or just accept as part of the deal. Junk fees. You know, those pesky little charges that seem to pop up out of nowhere when you're booking a hotel, signing up for a service, or sometimes even closing on a home. But what really are junk fees? And why should you care about them? And more importantly, how can you avoid them? Stick around, because today we're going to explore all these questions, and I promise you'll walk away with some useful tips. First off, let's define what junk fees actually are. Essentially, junk fees are unnecessary or excessively high charges that companies add to your bill, often without clear explanation or justification. They can be disguised under various names like processing fees, service charges, or administrative fees. And let me tell you, they can add up quickly, eating away at your hard-earned money. So then, why do companies charge these fees? Well, the simple answer is because they can. It's an easy way for businesses to boost their profits without raising the headline price of their services or products. By keeping the base price low, they attract customers, and then these extra fees help pad their margins. Pretty sneaky, right? And next, you might wonder who is most affected by these fees. It turns out that almost everyone encounters them in some form. Whether you're a traveler, a home buyer, a student, or just someone shopping online, you've likely faced a junk fee. However, they particularly impact those who have less time to scrutinize every charge. Busy parents, elderly consumers, or people in urgent situations are often hit the hardest. Speaking of which, let's talk about where you might encounter these fees most often. One of the biggest culprits is the travel industry. Ever booked a hotel room online and been happy with the rate, only to see a resort fee added at checkout? Or what about those service fees on concert or event tickets? Airlines, too, are notorious for charging for things that used to be free, like choosing your seat or even just printing your boarding pass at the airport. And next, the real estate market is not immune to junk fees either. Closing on a house can be thrilling, but it can also be a minefield of these types of charges. From document preparation fees to courier charges, you might find yourself paying for services that seem obscure or whose costs are mysteriously inflated. Also, have you ever noticed those extra charges on your phone or cable bill? Telecom companies often have a variety of additional fees, and they might not even make sense when you look at them. Administrative fees, network access fees, and even certain types of taxes can all pile up to make your monthly bill much higher than the advertised rate. So then, how can you fight back against these fees? The first step is awareness. Start by thoroughly checking all your bills and statements. Look for terms like service fee, administration fee, or any charge that doesn't have a clear explanation. Don't hesitate to call customer service and ask for details about any fee that you don't understand. Also, when you're shopping around for services or booking travel, compare the total cost, not just the advertised price. Many companies now boast that they don't charge these extra fees, so they might end up being cheaper in the long run even if their upfront cost seems higher. And next, don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether you're dealing with a bank, a hotel, or a service provider, sometimes simply asking them to waive certain fees can work, especially if you're a loyal customer or you're making a significant purchase. Speaking of which, for bigger transactions like buying a house or car, consider hiring a professional like a real estate attorney who can help identify and fight unjustified charges. It's an extra cost up front, but it can potentially save you a lot more in the long run. And finally, stay informed about your rights. Some jurisdictions are starting to legislate against unjustifiable fees, so knowing the legal landscape can help you argue your case more effectively. So, junk fees are more than just a minor annoyance. They're a significant burden that can add up to substantial amounts. By becoming more vigilant and questioning these fees, you can take control and save your money for things that really matter to you. So next time you're about to click buy or sign on the dotted line, take a moment to review those extra charges. It could make all the difference. Have you personally experienced junk fees? Then leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Let's spread the word and help everyone avoid those pesky fees. See you next time.